for this next video, we are creating our parachute for our rocket. It's a little complicated, but I will try to do my best to express to you how to make it following every step. First, I have a large garbage bag. It does not need to be black, but it does need to be large. And a garbage bag. So garbage bags are typically a little bit thicker than the normal bag, and it doesn't have any handles. It's going to be really easy to use for a parachute. I'm going to start by finding the opening and the bottom of the bag. So I can see a seam here on the bottom. I know this is the bottom of the bag. I'm going to cut that off. So I'm going to take the bag and I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to fold it a couple of times because the more I fold the bag, the easier it's going to be to cut. So I'm taking the bag and I have my end here, and I just want to cut off the seam, the part on the bottom that's keeping it closed, because I don't want it closed here. And I add that to my pile that I'm going to discard later. And now I have, if I were to open this bag up some more, a bag that I can stick my hand straight through, okay? Now what I want to do next is I want to take the bag and find one seam, one part of the bag where it has a nice fold, and I'm going to cut with my scissors straight down. And you might even think it's difficult to cut, but I'm actually not going to cut. If the scissors are sharp enough, I could very simply and gently, so it's very, very, very gentle here, I'm going to just glide my scissors along that line. I don't want to go too fast here because I want to make sure that you follow along the line. So go slow. Make sure that the scissors are always pointing away from you, not towards anyone else either. And then that's it. I'm done. All I did was slide the scissors down the length of the bag. Now, I have a giant rectangle of plastic, but I only need half of this. So I'm going to find one other seam, the middle part, and I'm going to cut down that end of it too. And again, as I cut, I'm going to cut very gently and delicately. Again, it's not even a cut, it's more of a slide. So as I start, I'm going to find that my scissors will do most of the work. I just need to find it, almost like a rhythm or a gentle glide, and then I'll just glide down, just like that. Okay. I'm not pointing my scissors towards anyone, and definitely not towards myself. I only need half, so I put the other half on the side, fold that up nice.